Good morning, children. Myself Preeti, your EVS teacher. Hope you all have done your work given in first chapter. Let's begin our lesson number 2, Migration and Relations. Firstly, we must understand what is migration. Migration means shifting to another place. Here is a story of a boy named Pinu who firstly lived in a large family in a village. You all have seen villages. In villages there are large big families, big house. Similarly, Pinu also lived in a big family. His grandfather was head of the family. His family has 32 members. Grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and many cousins are there in his family. When his aunts got married, they live in different towns with their husbands. As we know, in large families, festivals are celebrated with great fun. Same is with Pinu also. They enjoy together, visit fairs together, means they have lot of fun in their large family. Their main source of income was agriculture. Means उनके parents, uncles सारे क्या करते थे? खेती करते थे. Let's see how long is Pinu's family. Here is the family tree of Pinu. Look at this. पीनू के ग्रैंडफादर रोज उनको स्टोरी सुनाते थे, जैसे आपके दादा दादी आपको सुनाते हैं. उनकी मम्मी चाची सब साथ में मिलके बड़े से किचन में सबका खाना बनाते थे. Their house was quite big and ventilated. It had 18 rooms, a veranda and a terrace. In villages there are government schools and Pinu also studied there. His uncle named Shyam was a bank employee. वो बैंक में काम करते थे उनके अंकल, और 2 साल पहले ही उनका दिल्ली ट्रांसफ़र हुआ था. उनकी फैमिली दिल्ली में ही रहती थी. This year there was little rain, and you all know the agriculture completely depends on rainfall. So the income got decreased and not sufficient for such a big family. So Pinu's father named Ramesh decided that they, along with his family and Pinu's grandparents, must shift to Delhi so that they can search a better job or set a new business there. Dear students, this is migration. When people move from one place to another due to some reasons in their own country for job, business or higher studies, like from Raipur to Nagpur or Raipur to Kolkata, etc. And those people are called migrants. And some people who leave their country to live in another country for job, etc., that is called immigration. Like from India to Canada or India to USA, etc. And the people, what they are called? They are called immigrants. Now, do you know why do people move? जैसे कि पीनू के फादर बेटर इनकम सोर्स के लिए दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो गए थे, वैसे ही और भी बहुत सारे रीजंस होते हैं शिफ्टिंग के. लाइक सम पीपल माइग्रेट ड्यू टू ट्रांसफरेबल जॉब्स like Pinu's uncle. Some migrate due to natural calamities like cyclones, earthquake, flood, etc. Some people are forcibly shifted by the government because of wars, partition, construction of roads, dams, etc. This forcefully shifting is known as displacement. What is this? It is different from migration or immigration. It is a process by which people are being shifted forcefully from one place to another. Like you might have seen in Raipur also, many people got shifted while the construction of bridges and canals etc. Some people shift for their higher studies to big cities. So many of our brother and cousins might have shifted to from Raipur to Pune or Bangalore for their higher studies, है ना? So these are various reasons of migration. Now our next topic is difficulties faced after migration. Yes, of course there are so many problems in migration. Like Pinu in village lived in a very big house, but now he lives in a small rented house. You might have seen in cities, all are busy with themselves. He too don't have many friends. He misses his school and cousins also. Not only Pinu, but his father is also facing a lot of difficulties in setting up his new business in a new city. They are also finding difficulty in adjusting to the climate of Delhi. Do you know how is the climate of Delhi? It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. His uncle's family was also nearby, but they live in a separate house. They can't meet regularly. अब पीनू को लोनली फील होने लगा. उसके फ्रेंड्स एंड कज़न्स कोई भी साथ में नहीं थे उसके साथ खेलने के लिए. साथ ही दिल्ली उसको बहुत भीड़ भाड़ वाली प्लेस फील होती थी, because he belongs to a small village with less population. So dear students, when people are displaced, they face a lot of difficulties. Displacement affects their health and happiness. With their financial conditions also, the financial condition get also affected by shifting. Since they feel difficulties in getting new jobs, they have to shift to places that may not be of their choice, etc. Now our next topic is changed family structure.